Hi there! I want to introduce myself. I am Nomer Bartolata Meteoro, an overseas Filipino worker from Bicol region, San Jacinto, Masbate, Philippines. Here's my beloved family. We are a permanent resident here in Singapore for almost 18 years.
Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights.
Yes, I put up my own company. The name of the company is Goal International Private Limited. Goal International Private Limited created 30 millionaires under Team Goal International. 25 of them are OFW. Now they are in the Philippines to be with their family. They have time freedom, family freedom, and financial freedom because of AIM Global.
Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months.